Now, the Adani saga has been the talk of the town since the Hindenburg report back in January 2023. Now, this has taken much space on the Indian economic as well as the political landscape. But finally, there is some respite. Today, on 3rd Jan 2024, almost after a year since the report, the Supreme Court of India has rejected the petition to transfer the probe to CBI or any other special investigative team and directed market regulator SEBI to finish the remaining 2 probes in the next 3 months. Now, before we get into the details, let's do a quick summary of the events that have taken place until now. In January 2023, Hindenburg released a report accusing the Adani Group of engaging in stock price manipulation and accounting malpractices. Now, this report created a lot of buzz and triggered a massive sell-off in the Adani Group stocks, which had led to a slump of over $140 billion in days and even forced the cancellation of a 20,000 crore rupee FPO. Now, in response, Adani Group had issued a 413-page response calling the Hindenburg allegations an attack on India collectively. Now, soon after that, 4 public interest petitions were filed before the Supreme Court. On 2nd March 2023, the Supreme Court had directed SEBI to look into any disclosure breaches and possible price manipulation of Adani stock in violation of existing laws. Additionally, it had also appointed a 6-member panel to look into regulatory failure by SEBI and alleged breach of laws by the Adani Group. Now, over time, SEBI had sought multiple extensions to be able to probe all the cases and come up with conclusive results. Now, amidst petition of transferring the case to an special investigating team or an SIT or even the CBI finally came today. The Supreme Court has taken a call on the Adani saga, which had several market participants, including investors and institutions, awaiting. The 3-judge bench presided by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud noted that SEBI has completed the investigation in 22 out of the 24 matters related to the allegations against the Adani Group and directed the 2 pending cases to be completed within the next 3 months. Now, the detailed order was as follows. The Supreme Court did not find sufficient evidence to warrant a separate probe beyond SEBI's ongoing investigation and has hence refused to order a probe by a special investigation team. Additionally, the court also held that there were no valid grounds raised to direct the SEBI to revoke its amendments on FPI and the LODR regulations. Furthermore, it was noted that news reports from third-party organizations like the Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project cannot be substantiated and relied upon as conclusive proof against a statutory regulator like that of SEBI. Now, this led to a lot of activity in the Adani stocks as all the Adani Group stocks were in green today, and the overall market capitalization of the Adani Group is now back above 15 lakh crore mark, climbing from its all-time low of 5.8 lakh crores during the entire Hindenburg saga. Now, it is important to note that today's Supreme Court verdict was just to reject a plea of transferring the case to an SIT. There are still 2 pending cases which are under investigation with SEBI, and SEBI's probe is still ongoing in these 2 cases. With that, this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com